Hi everybody, I had a request from a pupil about reference points for a 45-degree reverse bay park and a forward bay park. Okay, it was about turning points, so it's not about approach speeds or moving the vehicle over to the left and such. Might go in a bit of that, but it's mainly about the one thing, which is to do with reference points for turn points. For a forward bay park, if you've got the ability to use a bay to the right, that of course is the favourite and the best option. So say we wanted this bay here, the reference point, and it works with vans, works with trucks if you're in loading bays with trucks, it works with lots of things, is the bay before the one you want. You're losing parts of your body, you're not using vehicles, because vehicle lengths change, the widths change, but your body's still the same. Where your, that's you in the car there, where your head is here, it should be halfway in the bay before. That's your reference point there for the forward bay part, and then that'll take you in there, creeping the car at full lock. That works 95% of the time with 95% of cars, unless it's like a sports car with very little steering rack. And for a reverse bay part, a 45-degree one, if the option's available, you would use the left side, and the reference you want to use for that is, again, the vehicle will be over here, but you're using where your head would be on the line of the bay that you want. Or you can come a little bit before it. What you don't want to do is go after. Now, the reason why I use these reference points, because I watched a video recently where it talked about using the bay opposite. But what if they aren't bays? What if that's a wall or a hedge? You don't have the opportunity, do you? So if you were doing the forward bay part, you could make the argument. So on this example here, the reference you need is the bay that you want. Now that could be a driveway. It could be a driveway to a house. So that's the only reference you need there. For a forward bay park, yes, I make the argument that might not be a bay, but you're just guesstimating about how wide that bay is or that driveway, and then you guesstimate it with this space here. So that could be a parked cars. So you're guesstimating that distance there, and then you do half of it for here, so it would be here. Hope that helps.